Dear friends, I am going to tell you the successful story of Lions Club Sangamner Sapphire's flagship project, Sapphire Business Expo. 65,000 people visit this project every year. So each and every person of this entire region knows our club very well. Due to this project, we raise the fund of 20 lakh rupees every year from the last 13 years. Because of these funds, we take many service activities in the community for entire year. Hence, we build our club's image very well. We save 5 lakh rupees every year from this fund, and so we have 60 lakh rupees corpus fund, and soon we are going to start permanent project with this fund. Due to this project, we get 50 new members every year. Hence, our club's membership strength is 895 right now. We get leadership experience also because many members are involved in various committees as this project is very big. We have selected this story amongst so many successful stories of our club because I am sure that after listening this story, you will get 100% motivated and start this project in your club. So dear friends, buckle up your seat belt, wear the glasses of vision and experience the joyful, smooth and successful ride of Sapphire Business Expo. Thank you.
Sapphire Expo, a brand known to almost each citizen of Sangamner, is a real success story in itself. Undoubtedly, it's the most awaited and highly attended annual event of the city. Friends, it all started in year 2007 when Lions Club of Sangamner Sapphire was just a year old. Having seen many exhibitions in metro cities across the globe, an idea ignited in the mind of a visionary founder president, Lion Girish Malpani. The members immediately agreed to organize the event. Lion Girish Malpani, Srinivas Bhandari, Praful Kivansara, and few other club members visited several exhibitions at Pune and Nasik and met the stall holders personally. These stall holders were skeptical to come to small city. The members explained them potential of business and the arrangements that were being planned. The members met many business houses and dealers in the town and urged them to participate in the expo. To make it successful, some of our club members also booked stalls for their products. Several committees like stall booking, venue management, advertisement, inauguration, security, food, housekeeping, games and entertainment were formed to ensure more members are involved in this mega event. With all the efforts and continuous follow-up, total 90 stalls from Sangamner, Nasik, Pune and Mumbai were booked in first year itself. Handbills, big hoardings, banners, local newspapers and news channels all were involved. An advertisement van was engaged for 15 days. It was literally an expo buzz in the town. Variety of stalls with unique products, funfair games and food stalls were attracting people of the town. And this 4-day event was successful with almost 25,000 people visiting in the first year itself. Club could raise decent fund of 10 lakh rupees from the event and won District Land Award. Sapphire Expo is being arranged every year so far. It is the most happening event in Sangamner. Expo covers all the product stalls. You name it and we have it. Sapphire Expo has grown from 90 stalls to 175 stalls with 65,000 people visiting in 6 days. The true success is that almost all the stalls for next year are booked in advance a year before. 20 lakh rupees fund is raised every year due to this mega project. This project is a win-win situation for club members, stall holders and the consumers. Because of the financial support, every year the club carries out more than 50 activities. To name a few, medical health checkup camps, cataract operations, Diwali Mela for less fortunate school students, blood donation camps, food distribution, tree plantation, school uniform distribution, marathon, sports and cultural competitions. Even during COVID pandemic lockdown, the club could provide over 80,000 meals to the needy in span of 2.5 months while spending around 20 lakh rupees. Sapphire Expo is the great image building project of Lions Club. Leadership. Every year, president of the club and some new members are part of the project chairman's team. This evolves their leadership qualities. Involvement and engagement of new members in various committees. Earn while learn. Sapphire Expo has a tie-up with BBA College at Sangamner. The students are hired by the stallholders during this event. These students in turn get practical knowledge of selling or marketing a product while earning. Membership growth. Due to Expo, many people from elite class of the city and BBA students become members of Lions Club of Sangamner Sapphire. Club gets around 50 members every year due to this activity. Business growth. Following the success of Sapphire Expo, several other clubs in our district have started similar activity in their area. Friends, with sufficient corpus from this activity, our club is planning to start a permanent project soon for the well-being of the society.
Dear friends, I hope you like the story and you are motivated to start this project in your home club very soon. All the best. Thank you.